a mental case.
But wait,
Mentally.
I heard that the Mediterranean Sea kills at least 1,500 people yearly.
Yes.
Does that make it a consistency?
Jesus!
What do you say?
Consistency.
I'm on a mental case.
If you see an Agama lizard on the wall looking at you,
Bruh.
does that mean that Agama eyes on you?
Bruh.
Sorry?
Agama eyes on you?
I'm on a mental case.
Make use of your brain now.
Continue.
That's how yesterday. My neighbor that is a paint artist, I just saw him crying. Yeah, my life, oh, yeah. I am doomed. I said, Brother Judas, what happened exactly? Why are you crying? He said that one rich man gave him one artwork to do, over 2 million naira, that he used marble to do his face. That when he was now on his way to go and deliver it, that the Okada he carried now had accident, that the thing now fell. I said, you don't enter Brazil.
What are you trying to say?
I was not thinking about it when I got home that, hey, wait, does that mean that Brother Judas just experienced a
Run. Hey, y'all, come look at this.
heartbreak?
What do you say?
Heartbreak.
Your mind bent.
Help us. There is God.